Good morning and welcome to our third workout. How are you? I am really excited to have you here for the third consecutive morning. We will start with a warm-up, then the workout. Today, we'll do rounds of 30 seconds followed by active rest for 15 seconds. We will do 3 sets of 4 exercises and then another 3 sets of 2 exercises. The first 4 exercises are 3 jumps plus 2 jumping jacks, push-ups on knees and roll, 4 switch foots and a squat, jump left, right, and switch foots. The last 2 exercises are lunge bow and crunches with your legs up. Let's warm up. Always from your neck all the way to your feet. Then to your shoulders. Circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Now, we're going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. Now, let's start the timer and we'll start with 3 jumps and 2 jumping jacks. You simply jump 3 times and then you do 2 jumping jacks. All these for 30 seconds. And relax, but don't stop for 15 seconds. Next 30 seconds of push-ups on knees and roll. Now active rest for 15 seconds. Four switch foots and a squat. It's not easy, I know, but stay with me. Now breathe during the active rest. And the next one is the left-right jumps and switch foots. This is the last exercise of the first set. We'll do this set 2 more times. This workout burns a lot of fat. I promise you that in 1 month, you'll look amazing. Active rest for 15 seconds. We'll start with 3 jumps and 2 jumping jacks. And relax, but don't stop for 15 seconds. Next 30 seconds of push-ups on knees and roll. Now active rest for 15 seconds. Four switch foots and a squat. Now breathe during the active rest. And the next one is the left-right jumps and switch foots. Active rest for 15 seconds. We'll start with 3 jumps and 2 jumping jacks. And relax, but don't stop for 15 seconds. Next 30 seconds of push-ups on knees and roll. Now active rest for 15 seconds. Four switch foots and a squat. Now breathe during the active rest. And the next one is the left-right jumps and switch foots. This was really difficult. Breathe. And we have 3 more sets of lunge bow and crunches. Let's start. 30 seconds of lunges and bow. Active rest for 15 seconds. We sit down and lift our legs while trying to reach them with our hands. Come on, it's only 30 seconds. And active rest for 15 seconds. "30 seconds of lunges and bow. Active rest for 15 seconds. We sit down and lift our legs while trying to reach them with our hands. And active rest for 15 seconds. "30 seconds of lunges and bow. Active rest for 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds. And we are ready! And we are ready! Let's stretch for a few minutes. We'll start each stretching with our shoulders. Hold on each position for at least 5 seconds. I really want you to breathe as deeply as you can during our stretching because you'll have so much more energy afterwards. Fill your lungs with air and then empty them. Stretch all the way down to your feet. It's important to stretch because you won't be sore tomorrow. Now, we'll relax our spine, bend over your left leg, and hold for a few seconds. Then, moving to the center, now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. Great job! And I am really proud of you. See you tomorrow for another great fat melting workout.